These are so cool. So this is the second one in the series. How cool is that? Including a bridge. Well, not a bridge, a fence with a gate in it, which is really cool. I love them. They're so cool. All different colour hearts. They're really cool, and I think they're quite cool. So stay tuned and I'll show you how to make them. Okay, so what we've got is we've got two A6, A5 bits of paper folded in half. So that's the first lot. So all we've got to do from there is the glue, my trusty glue. I'll just open it. Takes a while, but my trusty glue. So it is art glitter glue, and it works really well. I've been using it for years, but I've only started reusing it in the past sort of year, only because nothing compares to art glitter glue, which is so true. So the first bit is this one, and it should stick down all right. Awesome. Okay, so that's the first one. The second one is exactly the same. I love the end result with this glue. It means it will be stuck down forever. So sometimes you don't want that, but the majority of the time you think it works really well. So with this glue, you put it down and you get about 3 or 4 seconds to line it up before it's stuck down forever. So cool. Okay, so the next thing is the trees. So the trees are going there, but we've got to do this before. So we'll just put these on it. And these are the hearts that go in the corner. What I usually do is line it up with that side and this side. So, and I just make it fit. I've been doing things like that for about 30 years. So it's been a while, and I have loved the end result once I figure out what the end result is, if that makes sense. So we just daub it on through the middle. So, and then you can daub it on in a few other places, although it's quite delicate to get it on everywhere. So it just basically needs to be stuck down in enough places so that it gets stuck, so it's not going anywhere. So I think that looks better. Awesome. Okay, so the next one, silence as I glue it down. Awesome. Wonderful. Okay, so the next bit is, I think it's these two that need to be put down. So what we'll do is we'll just draw it down. And it just needs enough to make sure it's going to stick down basically forever. So I think that will be good. So that, and we'll do the same with this one. And put it down. Awesome. Okay, so what else do we need? One more thing, which is the fence line. Now the fence line is actually, it's not difficult, but it's time consuming. So all I really know is that you've got to have enough glue so it's not coming off. So it takes a bit to glue, but once you've got it, it won't be going anywhere. There. It's like doing a jigsaw puzzle. Takes a while, but the end result is awesome. Okay, so all we'll do is we go this way, and then it's got to be like, it's got to be ever so slightly that way. Awesome. So stick it down. Hopefully you've stuck it correctly. If you haven't, then lo and behold, you can move it, because it's sort of like a 5-second rule. Once you glue it down, you've got about 5 seconds, and that's really, really, really cool. Looks so cool. Awesome. So we've got the other one, and the other one's done exactly the same. So all I'll do is I put one dab of glue at each fence line. So there's probably about 20 dabs one way and 20 dabs the other way. But once it gets stuck, you know that it's going to be stuck, which is really, really good. Whoops. As I drop it, which is great. So, okay, I think we need 2 more, 1 and there. Okay, so lo and behold, it's that way round, and it's that, and there. Every single time I've tried to put it down, it's ever so slightly off center. So every single time so far today, I've been putting it on crooked, which is really stupid, but I keep on doing it each time, which is wonderful. So how do you like that? How awesome. I've done 2, and lo and behold, what we've got is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we've got 7 so far. We need to make 10, and that's fine. I've got 3 more to do, so I might do that later on tonight. And subscribe to the channel. We've done 2 dog ones, so now we've got 2 cat ones to do. So keep on tuning and you can see what colours and inspiration I have for the cat ones, and then the end ones will have 1 more dog one and 1 more cat one to show you as well. Subscribe to the channel and have a look to see what else is coming up. Thank you.